In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and track project schedules in CostMiner, which is a powerful construction estimating and takeoff software. So let's get started and walk through this process together. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the CostMiner site. Once you're there, locate and click on the Login button. This is where you'll enter your credentials to access the application. After logging in, you'll see your dashboard with all your current projects. Choose the specific project that you want to work on. Once you've selected the project, look for the three-line symbol, often referred to as the hamburger menu, which is used to access additional options. Clicking on the three-line symbol will present a menu. From there, you'll want to click on the option labeled Details. This will take you into a more detailed view of your project where you can manage various aspects of it. Now within this detailed view, you'll want to find the Status button and give it a click. This is crucial as it allows you to track where your project currently stands. Here, CostMiner provides you with several status options. You can set the project as planned, in progress, or completed. Depending on your project's current phase, select the appropriate status. Let's say your project is just starting. You would select planned. For projects already underway, there's in progress, and if your project is wrapped up, you'll mark it as completed. Next, it's time to set some important dates. You'll need to select a start date. Typically, this would be the kickoff date for your project, so choose appropriately. Right after that, you'll also want to set an end date that reflects the projected or actual completion of the current status. Once you've carefully chosen your start and end dates, it's crucial to hit the Save button. This ensures that all your settings and preferences are stored and you avoid any loss of information. CostMiner also provides a helpful feature in the status column where you can click a dropdown. This provides an overview and the ability to manage different phases directly. If your project is ready to kick off, look for and click the Start option. For ongoing projects, click In Progress to see all the projects you currently have underway. And when your project comes to a conclusion, go back to the Status dropdown, select Complete, and instantly your project shifts to the Completed tab, providing you a quick glance of all finished tasks. By following these steps, you can efficiently create and track your project schedules in CostMiner, helping you stay organized and on track with your timelines. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you streamline your project management tasks.